Are Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases good or bad? Quality Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbaser can be installed as aftermarket part between the wheel hub assembly and wheels. High-quality Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, and handling, and more. Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheel to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases is a great way to fix one offset rubbing problems that install between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brakes and wheel options. These Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against the suspension component. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in adverse conditions, which reduces risk. What's better, by spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases provide sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their vehicle looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases are designed to perform well in heavy duty any kind of 4x4 event. These Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases have high strength requirements. Besides, the BONOSS Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheelbaser when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheelbases. These notches act as actuators which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. All BONOSS wheelbases kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind. Such BONOSS active cooling Toyota Land Cruiser wheelbases are surely a good option for your driving needs.